Hello dear students, I am Vijay, your yoga teacher from Ardent Progressive School, Haldwani Lamachar. Today we will learn about 4 types of Trikonasana. In Trikonasana, first stand straight, make the gap between the legs and then slide your one hand on the leg while turning your body to that side and take your other hand up and touch it to your ears. The lower hand can touch to the ankles or to the ground. See towards the fingers of the upper hand. Remain in this position for 10 to 20 seconds or more. Breath will be out in this final pose, and when you will get up and come to the normal, you will breathe inside. And now we will repeat this from the other side. Now slide the hand on the other side towards the ground on your leg and bring the hand to the ground. The upper body will be turned parallel to the ground and the upper hand will be touching to the ear. See towards the fingers of the upper hand. And while coming up, breathe inside and come to the normal. In last, we join the legs together and come in the starting position. Let us do it once more. Again, make the gap between the leg. The gap should be more than the shoulders distance and it can be of 3 to 4 feet. Now, slide the hand on the leg. Bring that hand towards the ground and the upper hand will go to the ear and body will be turned. Upper body will be parallel to the ground. Look towards the fingers of the hand. Remain in this position. If you want to remain in this position for more than 15-20 seconds, then you can do normal breathing here. Otherwise, breath will be out in the final pose. When you come up, you will breathe inside. Now we will do it from the other side. Now slide your hand on the other side leg and bring the hand to the ground or near the ankles. Turn the upper body parallel to the ground. The upper hand touch to the ear and see towards the fingers of the upper hand. Breath is out. While coming up, you are breathing inside. Now, for coming in the starting position, join the legs again and hands are on the sides. Now we will do other variation of Trikonasana, that is called Konasana. For that also, make the gap between both the legs. Turn the right foot towards right side at 90 degree to the right. Slide the right hand on the right leg to the ground and bring the left hand up and see towards the fingers of the left hand. Breath will be out. Remain in this position for 10 to 20 seconds or more. If you are remaining here for more time, you can do the normal breathing. While coming up, breathe inside and join the legs. Now we will be doing Konasana from the other side. Make the gap between the leg. Turn the left leg towards the left side. Slide the left hand on the left leg and bring it to the ground. Right hand will go straight up. See to the fingers of the right hand. Your stomach is pressing, so breath is out here. While coming up, you will breathe inside. Now we will do Konasana one more time. So, make the gap between the legs. Turn the right leg towards the right. Slide your right hand on the right leg. Bring it to the ground. Left hand will go up. See towards the fingers of the left hand. Remain in this position as much you can. Then come up. Now join both the legs. We will do it from the other side. So make the gap again. Turn the left leg towards the left side. Left hand will slide over the left leg and left hand will come to the ground. The right hand will go up. See towards the right hand Breath will remain out, but when you come up, you will breathe inside. Now join both the legs. Now we will do Parivrat Konasana. It is also known as revolved triangle pose. Make the wide gap between the legs. Raise your arms to the shoulder level. The right leg will be turned towards the right. Twist the trunk to right and bring the left hand to the right foot. The right hand will go up, see towards the right hand. Both the arms are in straight line. Now, while coming up, you will breathe inside. Bring the hands in shoulder level. After that, come in the normal position by bringing your legs together and hands down. Now we will do this revolved triangle pose from the other side. Make the gap between the leg. Turn the left leg towards the left side. Twist the trunk and bring the right hand to the left foot. The left hand will go straight up. See towards the fingers of the left hand. Remain in this position as much as you can. The breath will be out because your stomach is pressing. And when you come up, you will breathe inside. Now, come to the normal by joining the legs and bringing your hands down. We will do it one more time. Make the gap between the leg. Turn the right leg towards the right. Bring your left hand towards the right foot. See to the hand upside, that is right hand that will go up. Remain in this position according to your capacity. If you are remaining for more time in this position, you will do normal breathing, otherwise breath will be out. While coming up, breath will be inside. Now come to the normal by bringing the hands down and joining the legs together. Now we will do it from the other side. Raise your arms parallel to the ground and make the gap between the legs. Turn the left foot towards the left and bring the right hand towards the left foot. Left hand will go up, see towards the fingers of the left hand. Your upper trunk is revolved, so its name is revolved triangle pose. Parivrat means घुमावदार in Hindi. Therefore, its name is Parivrat Konasana. We are learning 4 types of Trikonasana. They have various benefits. By them, the lower back area becomes flexible. It makes the spine flexible. The fat on the sides is reduced. It helps the large intestine, liver and spleen in proper functioning. The muscles of the waist, hips, legs are strengthened. The spinal problem will be cured. They strengthen the ankles, knees and shoulders, and they cure the back pain and also the shoulder and joint pain. And now we will learn the 4th type of Trikonasana, that is called Parshvakonasana. For that, make the wide gap between the legs. Turn the right leg towards the right. Bend the right leg from the knee and bring the right hand on the ground. The left hand will go up and touch to the ear. See towards the fingers of the left hand. Remain in this position as much as you can. Breath will be out. And when you will come up, you will inhale slowly. Breathe inside. Come to the normal. Join the legs together. Now we will do it from the other side. Again make the wide gap between the legs. Turn the left leg towards the left. Bend the left leg. Bring the left hand on the ground. And right hand will go up. Right hand will come parallel to the ground and it will touch to the ear. See to the fingers of the right hand. Your stomach is pressing, so breath will be out. Remain in this position as much as you can. After that, come up and inhale inside. Come to the normal. In the last, you can relax in standard ease, that is Vishrama Mudra. You can do relaxation in between the asanas also. So today we learned 4 types of Trikonasanas. I hope you like these asanas and you will do them at your home. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay fit and do yoga at home.